In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Vimeo via your WordPress website. Whether you're looking to showcase a stunning portfolio, share a tutorial, or simply embed a Vimeo video on your website, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. WordPress, a powerful platform for creating and managing websites, makes it easy to customize your site and add multimedia content. And with Vimeo, you can seamlessly integrate high-quality videos to elevate your site's design and functionality. If you don't already have a WordPress account, just use the link in the description to set up yours quickly. Now let's get started. First, open your WordPress website in your browser. Once it loads, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login option. This is where we'll start the process of accessing your account. Next, you'll see several login methods. For a faster and more secure experience, click on the Continue with Google option. This is a great choice because it eliminates the need to manually type in your credentials. Now, you'll be prompted to select the Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with your WordPress site. This helps ensure your login matches the information already stored on the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard from here. Locate the Quick Links section. This is a handy area designed to provide shortcuts for commonly used features. In the Quick Links section, click on the Edit Site option. This will take you directly to the editing interface of your website, where you can start making changes to your content and design. Now, if you manage multiple sites through WordPress, you'll see a list of available websites. Locate the one you want to work on. You can do this by finding its thumbnail or title in the list. Once you spot it, click on it. This action will open the editor for that specific site, allowing you to view and manage its content. Take a moment to review any previously published elements on your website. This step is helpful because it gives you a quick refresher on your site's current layout before making any new edits or additions. When you're ready to add new content, look to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your starting point for adding new features or elements to your website. In the search bar that appears, type Vimeo Embed. Doing this helps you quickly locate the specific component designed to integrate Vimeo videos. Instead of scrolling through all the available options, searching saves time and ensures you find exactly what you need. Once you see Vimeo Embed in the search results, click on it. This will add the Vimeo Embed element directly to your current editing layout, making it ready for customization. Now, you'll need the URL of the Vimeo video you want to embed. Copy the link from Vimeo, and then paste it into the provided field within the WordPress editor. After entering the URL, click on the Embed button. This step connects your Vimeo content to your website, allowing the video to appear seamlessly within your site's design. It's as simple as that. Finally, to make sure all your changes are saved and published, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Save button. This ensures that your work is securely stored and live on your website for visitors to see. And that's it. You've successfully added a Vimeo video to your WordPress website. By following these steps, you've learned how to log into WordPress, navigate its dashboard, and seamlessly integrate multimedia content like Vimeo videos. If you have any questions or run into any issues, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.